Hello students. So we are here with the next chapter of NCERT important exercise problems. So here we are starting with the very first exercise of the fourth chapter, Determinants, exercise 4.1. Here we'll be solving the important questions of exercise problems of NCERT. So here we have taken the second problem and the second sub question. The question is very simple, evaluate the determinants. So students, the very important thing what you have to know here is how to evaluate a determinant. So as we have seen in the synopsis, to evaluate a given determinant of order 2 cross 2, so we have 4 elements here, right? Of order 2 cross 2, how do we evaluate this determinant? Okay, you have to multiply the principal diagonal element first, followed by a minus sign, which is default symbol or default sign in between the determinants, followed by the product of the other diagonal elements. Okay, product of the another diagonal elements. So this is principal diagonal, right? This is the other diagonal. In between the product of these both things, we should have with symbol, that is minus sign. So writing that step is most important. After that is what? Just simplification. So we'll start with the solution here. Solution. So how do we solve? Principal diagonal elements first we have to multiply. So these are principal diagonal elements. What is principal diagonal again? Principal diagonal is nothing but AII. Correct? So here if you see, this is which element? A11, this is A12, this is A21, and this is A22. So what is principal diagonal here? A11 and A22, right? The product of these both will be equal to how much? So that would be x square minus x plus 1 into x plus 1 minus default symbol between the product of followed by this product. So that is nothing but x plus 1 into x minus 1. So this is the only step where we are using determinants. So once you write this step without any mistake, the next steps are nothing but simplification. Now just simplify this. X square into x, that would be equal to x cube plus x square minus x square minus x plus 1 minus a plus b into a minus b is nothing but a square minus b square. Correct? Product, this into this into this. Same thing, each and every element we are multiplying with both the elements here. Simplifying this further, plus x square minus x square gets cancelled, plus x minus x gets cancelled. What is remaining now? X cube plus 1 minus x square minus 1. Distribute this minus sign inside. So we'll be getting x cube plus 1 minus x square plus 1. Finally we can write x cube minus x square plus 2. So this would be the determinant, or this would be the answer for the given determinant. So students, the point to be noted here is, this is the only step where we are using determinants. What are the rest of the steps? The rest of the steps are nothing but simplification. Understood? So only one step you have to write. So this particular step. Okay, this particular step you have to be careful. Okay, because this is how you find out the determinant. The rest of the steps are very simple. It's just simplification. Very simple, right? Moving to the next question. So this we have to prove it here. So if A is equal to a matrix is given of order 2 cross 2, then we have to show that determinant of 2A is equal to 4 times the determinant of A. Now students, what we have to find out here is, we have to find out what is determinant of A, and also we have to find out what is 2A. Correct? But what is given to us here? A is given. So let's write with the solution. 2A. So this is A, right? A equals 1, 2, 4, 2. Correct? This is what? Given in the question. What do we want next? 2A. So this is A. 2A equals, so scalar multiply 2 to each and every element in this inside the matrix. So this would become 2, this would become 4, this would become 8, and this would become 4 again. This is our 2A. Next, what do we want? Determinant of A. So determinant of A equals, so determinant of 1, 2, 4, 2. How do we find out the determinant? First the product of principal diagonal is taken, that is nothing but 2 into 1, followed by a minus sign, followed by the product of the other diagonal, that is nothing but 4 into 2, which is equal to, so 2 into 1 is 2, minus 4 into 2 is 8, so 2 minus 8 is minus 6. This is what? determinant of A. Now let us try to prove this 2A, determinant of 2A. So again here, determinant of 2A equals determinant of 2, 4, 8, 4. Product of principal diagonal first, 4 2s is 8 minus 8 4s is 32, which is equal to 32 minus 8. So that would be equal to 30 minus 6 minus 24. Okay, so we got this determinant of 2A, we got what is determinant of 2A minus 24. What is determinant of A? We got it as 6. Now 4 into A, 4 into determinant of A. 4 into determinant of A, which is equal to 4 into minus of 6, which is equal to minus 24. What is this? This would be our RHS. And what is this? This will be our LHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, proved. Simple, right? So what you have to remember here is whenever you have to find out the determinant of the given matrix, multiply the principal diagonal elements first, followed by a minus sign. This sign will not change. This sign will be minus throughout the determinants. After the minus sign, multiply the other diagonal elements. So you simplify that, that will be giving us the determinant. Moving on to the next question. Starting with the next question, number 5 of exercise 4.1. Evaluate the determinant, and the determinant is given. You have to tell the value of this determinant, or you have to evaluate and tell the right answer. So starting with the solution, students. So before we start with the solution, okay, we have to know the cofactors, and we have to decide along which row and which column are we going to expand this determinant and get the value of this determinant. So here we'll start with the first row itself. Okay, we'll write the cofactors plus, minus and plus. So these are the cofactors, right? Hope you remember what is cofactors. So with plus 2, so plus 2's rows and columns are eliminated. So remaining is this. Multiply the principal diagonal first. This would be 0. Minus into minus will become plus. So minus, this is the default symbol. Minus into minus is plus. So 5 here. Okay, next. Minus cofactor of minus 1. Open the bracket again. So this and this is eliminated. So 0 into 0 is 0. Minus 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Okay. Next, plus cofactor of minus 2. So minus 2's rows and columns are eliminated. 5 into minus 5 into 0 is 0. Minus 3 into 2 is 6. So see this line, when you are writing, okay, you have to write it very carefully. So once you write this line correctly, the next procedure is nothing but simplification, and that you can do it very easily, right? So let's begin with the simplification, which is equal to 2 into minus 5 is minus 10. Correct? Minus into minus is plus. Minus into minus is plus. So plus 1 into plus 3. So that will become plus 3 only. Next would be plus into minus is minus. Minus 2 into minus 6. So that will become plus 12. Right? So which is equal to minus 10 plus 15, which is equal to plus 5. This is the value of the determinant. So this will be your right answer. So you have to be very careful in this step. Okay, consider all the cofactors, multiplication of those signs. Okay, you have to be careful. One small mistake you commit here, okay, the entire solution will be wrong and you will be awarded with 0 marks. So just be careful there, alright. Moving to the next one, find the values of x. Now they have equated two determinants, means the determinant of this is equal to the determinant of this. So solution, how do we solve this determinant, students? Principal diagonal first, 2 1s are 2, minus 5 4s is 20, which is equal to principal diagonal first again, 2x square minus 24. Simplify further, 2 minus 20 is minus 18 is equal to 2x square minus 24. Send this on that side. So 2x square will be equal to minus 24. If it goes on that side, it will become plus 24. Plus 24 minus 18 is 6. 2 1s are 2 3s are 6. So what is x square? Is equal to 3. Therefore x will be equal to x will be equal to, not plus or minus, x will be equal to root 3. So this will be your right answer.